Okay, trying to cross Superway underpass, and let's see what happens to us when we get off-road from superhighway. Clouds are still very heavy, but I think the basic rain showers have passed away. Must be heading towards Karachi if already have not reached there. And I am on my way towards the underpass. After 50 meters we have to leave the road, get down from here and start thinking, what is this happening? Okay, and here we are trying to leave the road, and I think good much of money. And what will we do? Pretty much funny. Let's pray. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Although it's a short way to go through the water, but let's hope everything goes fine. As yeah, Bismillah, Bismillah. Yeah, there's a wave going ahead of us of water. Yeah, we brought so much of water outside the tunnel, and we made it. Bismillah, Ya Allah.